This is the Spyderco Smock. This knife is based on Kevin Smock's custom SK23 design. The overall length of this knife is 7.875 inches. The Wharncliffe style blade comes in at 3.375 inches. This knife is built with a unique button compression lock and a low profile flipper that blends seamlessly into the handle profile. The round hole, aka the Spydie Hole, is iconic to Spyderco designs and makes for easy conventional or Spydie flick opening. The Spyderco Smock is a one-of-a-kind knife. It comes with a CPM S30V blade and a sleek carbon fiber and G10 handle. As with all Spyderco knives, the Smock has a lifetime warranty. Let us know down below if you have or want a Spyderco Smock. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.